We're gonna be looking at the 4 outlet wall tap with USB out. This is a 2-pack. So it comes with 2 blocks here. All right, now these blocks are pretty nice. You know, they feel good. They're white. They have a plug here on the side, plug here on the top, and plug here on the side. So these plugs would be more for like lamps and things like that. And then you have a 3-prong here, something that has a grounded plug right here in the front. And then what's nice here, it has USB-A and USB-C, okay? So, you know, you could plug in something like this. It'd be really nice next to your bed or somewhere where you're obviously charging devices, maybe next to a coffee table or something like that. And you also have the ability to plug in a USB-C there right in the middle, which is a lot of stuff is going to. But a lot of cables out there are like this, where you have the USB-C to the USB-A. All right, so this is the way it looks. I can show you here. We can plug this in down here. This is what it looks like plugged in. There you go. This is the BN Link 4 outlet USB charging ports, 2 in a pack.